friends. This is Jean Nightingale, and welcome to Denville Community Church News. Next Sunday is Consecration Sunday, when we'll celebrate our commitments to join, give, serve, and pray with and for our church's ministries. Please check your emails or in your mailbox for an invitation to become a 2022 sustaining member by making a commitment. Many people find that making a prayerful, proactive commitment for the next year helps them be intentional about putting faith into action and making a positive impact. Our commitments also help our church council plan and budget for our ministries. Please become a sustaining member of this church by making a commitment for the next year. Also, it's time to share our Christmas Eve plans. We don't know what surprises COVID or its variants might have in store, so we're going to prepare for all options. At 4 p.m., an online worship service will premiere for those who need to worship at home. And at 7 and 11 p.m., we also plan to have worship services on site, either inside or outside based on the COVID rates. So now you can begin planning with your families when and where you will worship the Christ child on Christmas Eve. At home with our online worship service at any time after 4 p.m. or on site at 7 or 11 p.m. We're so excited and we can't wait.